Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that might seem boring at first but is absolutely critical for your safety in online. The hidden dangers of outdated software. Think about it, how many times you have clicked remind me later when your computer or phone asks you to update. It is easy to ignore those notifications, but what if I told you that skipping those updates could leave you vulnerable to hackers, data breaches, or even identity theft? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will understand why keeping your software up to date is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to protect yourself in digital world. So first, let's define what we mean by outdated software. This is any program, app, or operating system that hasn't been updated to the latest version released by the developer. It could be your phone's operating system, your laptop's antivirus software, or even the apps you use every day. So outdated software isn't just about missing out on cool new features. It's about security. Developers constantly release updated to patch vulnerabilities, fix bugs, and stay ahead of cyber criminals. When you don't update, you are essentially leaving a back door wide open for hackers to walk right in. So, what are the hidden dangers of using outdated software? So, let's break it down. Every piece of software has vulnerabilities. Vulnerabilities flaws that hackers can exploit to gain access to your system. Developers work tirelessly to find and fix these flaws. But if you don't update, you are still using the version with those weaknesses. Hackers know this and they actively target outdated software because it's easier to break into. So, outdated software is a goldmine for malware and ransomware attacks. For example, the famous WannaCry ransom attack in 2017 exploited vulnerabilities in outdated Windows system, logging users out their files and demanding payment. The worst part is a patch to fix the vulnerabilities had already been released, but many people hadn't updated that. So if you are using a outdated software, you are not just risking your own data. You could be putting others at risk also. Many data breaches happen because of unpatched software exposing sensitive information like password, credit card numbers, and also personal details. Outdated software can also lead to compatibility issues, like newer files, apps, and devices might not work properly with older versions, leaving you stuck and unable to access important information, which is very necessary to you. So, if you are still not convinced, let's look at some real life examples. In 2017, Equifax suffered a massive data breach that exposed the personal information of 147 million people. The cause? And unpatched vulnerabilities in the web application software. And in 2021, the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack disrupted fuel supplies across the US, all because of an outdated VPN. So these aren't just isolated incidents. They are reminders of how critical it is to keep your software up to date. So now that you know the risk, here is how you can protect yourself from this danger. So most device and software allow you to enable automatic updates. This ensures you are always running the latest version without having to think about it. And then for software that doesn't update automatically, make it a habit to check for updates regularly and set a reminder on your calendar if you need to. And then number three, uninstall unused software. If you are not using a piece of software anymore, then uninstall it, even if it's not running. it could still have vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. And number one, use antivirus and firewall protection. Pair your software with a strong antivirus and firewall protection, and add an extra layer of security to your devices. So, outdated software might seem like a small issue, but as we have seen today, it can have huge consequences. By taking a few minutes to update your device and apps, you are not just improving their performance. You are protecting yourself from cyber threats. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.